Hey, I'm back, and a small update video. So far, I got a lot done. I changed my mind on the eye. I decided to go with this old blade thing that I constructed, and it came out pretty decent. Um, so yeah, I went with this blade thing for the eye. It looked pretty cool, so I put it on there, and yeah. And then I put some plates all on the bottom, all around. Now I will put the bolts on there. It's just, this is just getting all the plates on there. And then I added a little trigger thing. Came out pretty good, and I'm most likely gonna add this. It's kind of like stock or exhaust stock on the big giant gun right there, and yeah, and then I will put the turret there on the Stompa. There's like a turret on the arm, but I'm gonna instead of putting the turret on the arm, I'm gonna attach. Oh, sorry. I'm gonna attach the turret on the side of the head like that, so it's like da 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 da. Oh. And yeah, this is the original face mask I had on here, but I'm gonna have to cut it again. Once again, I have to cut it, but it's worth it. And I think that's about it. And like I said, this was originally, see that eye? It was originally from this. I tried Resent Modecast, and this is how far I got. It looked pretty good, but it didn't come out all the way, and I had a few of these came out pretty decent, but not to the point where I was like happy with it, and so I just throw it in my junk box. But I end up using it, and right here. So as you can see, I use my millipore to fix the little defect. But yeah, and then I'm gonna work on the gun some more later. And that's it.